tired of sitting on your suitcase, struggling to zip it closed, only to realize you forgot your charger at the bottom? What if you could pack smarter, save space, and travel stress-free? Today, I'm sharing genius travel gadgets that make packing a breeze, and might just change the way you travel forever. All the gadgets I mention are linked in the description if you want to check them out. Now, let's jump right into it. First up, let's talk about something that every organized traveler swears by: the BagSmart compression packing cubes. If you've ever struggled to zip up an overstuffed suitcase, these cubes will feel like magic. Designed with a compression zipper system, they allow you to fit more clothes in less space, which means you can travel with a carry-on instead of checking luggage. That saves both time and money. Starting at just $69, this 6-piece set includes 1 large, 2 medium, 2 small cubes, and a dedicated shoe bag. Made from lightweight, breathable polyester, they reduce bulk while keeping your clothing wrinkle-free and accessible. And the stylish color options like light blue don't just make your packing smarter, they make it prettier too. Whether you're heading on a business trip or a beach holiday, this set helps you stay neat, efficient, and stress-free from airport to Airbnb. If you care about the planet as much as your packing skills, then the Eagle Creek Packet Reveal Cubes might just be your perfect travel companion. For $44.99, you're getting a thoughtfully designed, eco-conscious set made from 100% recycled polyester. These aren't your average packing cubes. They're built to last, with water-resistant materials and self-repairing zippers that can handle years of travel wear and tear. Available in 3 sizes, extra small, small, and medium, they offer modular organization, whether you're packing for a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure. The mesh windows make it easy to see what's inside at a glance, while the angled zip opening works well for both folders and rollers. You also get vibrant color options, like Sahara yellow and black, to match your aesthetic. With rave reviews praising their durability, flexibility, and eco-friendliness, these are a smart pick for travelers who want to organize consciously. Now let's switch gears to a product that's less about compartments and more about maximizing your luggage space: the Miki Home compression bags for travel. These handy bags are a must-have if you're packing bulky clothes like sweaters or jackets, or even if you're just trying to squeeze in a few more outfits without crossing that dreaded luggage weight limit. At only $16 for a 12-pack, this deal includes 6 small and 6 medium vacuum-free compression bags. That's right, no pump or vacuum needed. Simply roll them up to force the air out and compress the contents by up to 80%. These bags are waterproof, dustproof, and made from thick, durable plastic. They're ideal not just for organizing, but for protecting your clothes during travel. You can even use them to separate dirty laundry from clean items on your return journey. For travelers who hate clutter or need to pack heavy, these are an absolute steal. Next up, let's talk value. The Vacant 8-set packing cubes bring together organization, quality, and affordability in one complete travel system. Starting from just $19.99, this thoughtfully crafted set includes 8 pieces, 4 packing cubes in different sizes, a shoe bag, toiletry bag, laundry bag, and a zippered accessories pouch. That's everything you need to keep your suitcase from becoming a chaotic mess. Made of durable twill polyester, each cube has a breathable mesh panel and smooth 2-way zippers. Despite the multiple compartments, the entire set weighs only 540 grams, making it lightweight enough for carry-on travelers. Customers love the structure and support these cubes offer, especially how easy it is to find specific items without tearing through your whole bag. And with more than 10,000 5-star reviews, It's clear this budget-friendly set is a winner. Just note, these aren't machine washable and are better cleaned by hand. If simplicity and dependability are more your style, then the Bagale 8-set packing cubes deserve your attention. Priced from $26.99, you get 8 versatile cubes that help streamline your entire packing process. Made from ultralight, water-resistant nylon, they feature breathable mesh tops so you can easily see what's inside. The double zipper design makes packing and unpacking a breeze. From large cubes for coats and jeans to smaller ones for socks, underwear, and even shoes, there's a space for everything. Travelers love how they can just lift the cubes out and place them directly into hotel drawers. No unpacking drama. These are perfect for families, minimalists, and even business travelers who want to keep everything crisp and accessible. They may not have fancy compression zippers, but for straightforward, no-fuss organization, they're hard to beat. If you're looking for compression and structure, the Gonex compression packing cubes hit the sweet spot. Starting at $28.49, this 4-piece set includes an extra large, medium, and small cube, all made from durable ripstop nylon. These cubes come with a dual zipper compression system, allowing you to shrink your packed items by up to 60%, freeing up valuable space in your luggage. They're water-resistant, feature mesh windows for visibility, and have grab handles for ease of use. Whether you're jetting off on a family vacation or a solo trek, this set adapts to your packing style. Many users appreciate the balance between weight, functionality, and durability, especially for long-haul travel. Plus, they come in various colors, making it easy to assign a cube per person or outfit type. If you like to travel light but need to bring a lot, this is a solid investment. Moving on to a more premium option, the Thule Compression Packing Cube Set is for travelers who appreciate luxury design and functionality. At $49.95, you get a 2-piece set, 1 small and 1 medium cube, crafted from Blue Sign certified water-repellent nylon. This sustainable, top-tier material is soft to the touch, but incredibly durable. The cubes feature YKK zippers, a brand known for longevity and smooth operation, and a semi-transparent top panel so you can instantly recognize the contents. The compression function works beautifully, and reinforced side handles make them easy to carry, grab, or slide into tight suitcase corners. Though they come only in white, which may show dirt more easily, they offer a clean, minimalist aesthetic that's perfect for business travelers or style-conscious jet-setters. If you want to pack light and look sharp doing it, this set fits the bill. Finally, for those who want every product they buy to reflect their values, the EcoHub compression packing cubes deliver both functionality and sustainability. Starting at $39, this 6-piece set is made using 32 recycled plastic bottles, giving new life to waste and offering a tangible way to support environmental responsibility. It includes 2 small, 2 medium, 1 large cube, and a multi-use laundry shoe bag. With a strong compression zipper system, the cubes help reduce the bulk of your clothing by up to 60%, leaving more room in your suitcase without compromising organization. The breathable mesh tops provide air circulation, while the grab handles make loading and unloading easy. The fabric is slightly heavier than some of the ultralight options, but the difference is minimal when weighed against the eco-benefits. For travelers who care about their impact, this set is a great way to pack responsibly without sacrificing convenience or style. And there you have it, 8 smart travel solutions that will transform your packing game. Whether you're heading on a weekend getaway or a long-haul adventure, These tools help you travel lighter, stay organized, and say goodbye to packing stress. Which of these packing gadgets are you most excited to try? Or do you have a travel hack that beats them all? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from fellow smart packers. And if you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to TravelMate Explorer, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another awesome travel tip. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!